Hi everyone, my name is Roshan. I'm the co-founder of Senwin, and in this video guide, I'm going to show you how you can easily open Senwin in incognito mode. So why do we need incognito mode? So basically, if you use incognito mode using our extension, none of your browser history, cookies, or informations are saved in your device. It's like a private browsing where all your browser history are private. So if you want to like test our extension, and if you want to like use our extension without uh, giving access to your browser history or cookies, you can use our extension in that way. So how you can do that? So basically, if you see that we are using Microsoft Edge, so to do that, you need to go to this setting option, and if you see the extension, now you need to click on extension, and you will see that Senwin details, right? So we need to click here and just click on allow in private. So basically this will allow our extension to run on incognito mode, right? So how to access that? uh, After we like enable this allow in private mode options, we need to go back, and you will see new in private window, right? So if you open it now, you can see that our extensions are visible from private browser or incognito mode, right? So in this Microsoft Edge, you can access like that, and also in Google Chrome, you can access the same way. So let me fire up my Chrome browser. So if you see that I have opened my Chrome browser, in same way we can like access this. So if you see the option of more setting, and if you go to extension page, you will see click on details, right? So you will see that they have that option allow in incognito mode. So we basically have to just enable this option, and now we have to go back, and you will see this option new incognito mode. We just have to open it, right? So this way we can access our extension in incognito mode without sharing your browser histories or cookies or information. All right. I hope this video is really helpful. We have added more in-depth tutorials how you can use our Sinwin extension, so you can test those too. Bye for now.